Okay, I've already worked this question, so I'm going to go through it a little quicker and give you a few points. Y equals 3x squared minus 2 is this graph. And if I change the a value, but keep it positive, what happens to the graph? Well, for 1/2, this graph will get wider. For 5, this graph will get narrow. That's what happens. Now hold on. Sorry. If I put a negative on it, what would happen? It would flip down. So when A is negative, it points down. So let's read the question. If the coefficient, now coefficient means number in front of A, in front of x squared, the letter, variable, the number in front of the variable. So if the coefficient of x squared, that means that this problem is referring to A as the coefficient of x squared. So this is A. It is the coefficient of x squared. If it is changed from 3 to another positive number to create a new function, how will the graph of the new function compare with the graph of the original function? Well, we just told you it would be wider or narrow. It would not change directions because it said a positive number and it has to be negative. The vertex of the new graph will be different. Well, the y-intercept was the same for all of them, so the vertex didn't change. And the x-intercepts will be the same. Well, it can't be if it's going to get wide and narrow because they're going to cross at different points. See how it crosses here and here and then there and there? It didn't stay here and there. Yeah, so no. Okay. This question, what would happen if the value of A is changed to 9? You notice how this one says A is 9, but this one says the coefficient of x squared is 3. This one is describing A, this is just stating A. But if A was 1 and it becomes 9, it would get narrow or wider. Hopefully you said wider. If I go to the gym a lot, I'm going to get skinny. If I go to the gym a little, meaning this is smaller, it would get wider. See the difference? He's 1/2 is smaller than that, so it does the opposite, it gets wider. Okay, I'm going to go to the next video, and on the next video we'll do the next two questions talking about axes of symmetry.